Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of your PC, one tutorial at a time. Today, we're diving into something that's crucial for the health of your computer, diagnosing RAM problems. RAM issues can cause all sorts of headaches, from random crashes and slow performance to the dreaded blue screen of death. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to diagnose and fix these problems. So, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. Before we can fix RAM problems, we need to recognize them. Here are some common symptoms. Random crashes. Your computer crashes without any apparent reason. Slow performance. Applications take longer to open or respond. Blue screen of death, BSOD, frequent BSOD errors. Corrupted files. Files you frequently use become corrupted. Restart loops. Your computer gets stuck in a loop of restarts. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's time to check your RAM. Method 1. Using Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Let's start with an easy built-in tool, Windows Memory Diagnostic. Open the tool. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type mdsched.x and press Enter. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will restart and begin checking your RAM for issues. This process might take some time, so be patient. Once your PC restarts, the test results will be displayed. If it doesn't show automatically, check the Event Viewer. Press Windows plus X and select Event Viewer. Go to Windows Logs, System and look for entries with Memory Diagnostics results. Method 2. Checking RAM physically. Sometimes, the issue might not be with the RAM itself but with how it's seated in the motherboard. Here's how to check. Turn off your PC. Completely shut down your computer and unplug it. Open the case. Carefully open your computer case to access the RAM slots. Gently remove each RAM stick and reinsert it. Make sure they're firmly seated. Clean the slots. Use compressed air to clean out any dust from the RAM slots. Close the case, plug in your computer, and turn it back on. Method 3. Checking BIOS settings. Sometimes, incorrect BIOS settings can cause RAM issues. Let's check and reset them. Restart your computer and press the BIOS key, usually F2, F10, Del, or ESC, during boot. Find the option to reset BIOS settings to default. This is usually under an Exit or Save and Exit tab. Save the changes and exit BIOS. Your computer will restart. Method 4. Replacing faulty RAM. If all else fails and you've identified that a RAM stick is faulty, it's time to replace it. If you have multiple sticks, test each one individually using the methods we've discussed. Purchase new RAM. Make sure to buy RAM that is compatible with your motherboard. Follow the same steps for reseating to install your new RAM. And that's it for today's tutorial on diagnosing RAM problems. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.